Good morning to all my dear students and respected parents, and welcome again to Anu Ma'am's English online class. Now, do you remember what I taught you in my last class? Yes, I taught you how to make sentences. जैसे हिंदी में होता है वाक्य बनाओ, ऐसे इंग्लिश में how to make the simple sentences with simple words. So, I have taught you 10 sentences. Now today I am here only to revise those sentences. I know you must be finding it a little bit difficult. But my dear children, it is not at all difficult. All the words are very easy and you can make sentence on your own with a little bit of practice. So let us start. So I have come up with the same words just to give a quick revision. The first word which I have come up with is boy. So do you remember what was the sentence of boy? Yes, it was a very simple sentence. Raman is a smart boy. And I told you, you can also write Raman is a good boy. Both the things are correct. Okay, so let us start on writing on the blackboard. Raman, R-A-M-A-N. Raman is a name of a boy. Is, I-S, is a good, G-O-O-D, good, B-O-Y, boy and full stop. जैसे हिंदी में हम लोग पूर्ण विराम लगाते हैं, इंग्लिश में हम full stop लगाते हैं. Now we have made the sentence of boy, so we are going to underline boy with a red crayon. Clear? Now cup, the simplest sentence. Cup का तो सबसे simple है. The, T-H-E, the, C-U-P, cup, I-S is, H-O-T, hot, and full stop. And we are going to underline cup because we are making the sentence of cup. Now tree, very simple. That is a mango tree. Now in the live class, I have already told you the spelling of mango and I have asked you also to learn the spelling of mango. So now the simple sentence is very simple. You all know the spelling of that. T-H-A-T, that. Is, I-S is, a mango. Come on, tell me the spelling of mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. That is a mango tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Full stop. And tree will be underlined with the red color. Okay? So the first sentence is boy. Raman is a good boy. Full stop. Cup, the cup is hot. Full stop. Tree, that is a mango tree. Full stop. And you are going to write it down in proper 4 lines. Now let us come to next 3 words. Now, cat. Tree का क्या sentence है? That is a mango tree. What I am making for cat? This is a black cat. This, you all know the spelling of this? T-H-I-S, this. Is, I-S is a black. Black is the color. B-L-A-C-K. This you have to learn. Okay? This is a black cat. And full stop. And you are going to underline cat. This is a black cat. Now bag. What was the sentence of the bag? The sentence of the bag was, again a very simple one. This is a new bag. You all know the spelling of this. You all know the spelling of new. I have taught you in opposites. So let us write. This, T-H-I-S, this is a new. The spelling of new, N-E-W, new bag. B-A-G, bag, and full stop, and we are going to underline the bag with red crayon. Clear? Now comes pen. The sentence of pen is, the pen is red in color. The, P-H-E, the pen, P-E-N, pen, is, I-S, is. The pen is red, R-E-D, red, in color, C-O-L-O-U-R. Some of these spellings you have to learn, and it is beneficial for you only, because with learning of these spellings आपको नए words भी आ जाएंगे. ठीक है? And with the help of red crayon we are going to underline pen. Red, red, R-E-D, red. Color, C-O-L-O-U-R. Whenever you have to learn the spelling, break करिए उसको. Like the spelling of color, C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. Clear? Like this one, black, B-L, black, B-L-A, black, C-K, B-L-A, C-K. This one. So the sentence of cat is, this is a black cat, bag, this is a new bag, pen, the pen is red in color. Now let us move on to next words. Ball. Again a very simple one. That is a big ball. Big, you have learned the spelling in opposites. That, you know the spelling of that. T-H-A-T, that is a big. What is the spelling of big? B-I-G, big. Ball. B-A-L-L, ball. See, ma'am is writing in proper cursive. You also have to write it down in proper cursive, in proper 4 lines, in a very good handwriting, so that मैं आपको हमेशा उसमें good stars, excellent दे सकूँ. ठीक है? And now the sentence was a ball, so we are going to underline ball. ठीक है? Now comes car. Car का sentence, what was the car? Rita loves red car. Rita is the name of a girl, R-I-T-A, Rita. Loves, L-O-V-E-S. L-O-V-E-S. Red, just now I told you, R-E-D, red. And car, C-A-R, car. Rita loves red car. And we are going to underline car. Okay? So ball, that is a big ball. Full stop. Car, Rita loves red car. Full stop. Okay? And the sentence, book का क्या था? Sam is reading a book. Sam is the name of a boy. Sam is reading a book. And the sentence of sun, the sun is hot. सबसे simple sentence. Okay? So now you are going to write it down, this sentence on your own. एक दो बार थोड़ी मिस्टेक होगी, कोई बात नहीं, you will learn it. And now let us start the reading of rhyming words. Now in rhyming words, first of all I am taking En. What is En? N. N. Because the sound of E is E. So En is N. So what are we going to make? Come on, tell me. We can make pen. Then we can also make 10, है ना? So let us write. First is pen, P-E-N, pen. We can make T-E-N, pen. We can make कुकड़ुकू, कुकड़ुकू. कौन बोलता है? Hen. And we can also make men. Okay. So what is coming? E-N, 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 E-N. Pen, 10. Hen, men. है ना? So these are the rhyming words of N. E, N, N. N के rhyming words क्या है? Pen, 10, men and hen. Okay. Now let us move on to ale. A-L-E. What is A-L-E? A-L-E is ale, pale, tail, male, sail. मॉल में जाते हैं हम, सेल सेल सेल. ठीक है. सो पहला वर्ड हमने क्या बनाया? सेल. S-A-L-E सेल. देन टेल. T-A-L-E टेल. ये टेल का मतलब पूंछ वाला टेल नहीं होता है. T-A-L-E टेल का मतलब होता है स्टोरी. ठीक है. स्टोरीज को भी हम कहते हैं टेल. जो पूंछ वाली टेल होती है उसकी स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट होती है, बट T-A-L-E टेल का मतलब है स्टोरी. देन कम्स मेल. मेल मतलब मैन. कहते हैं ना मेल फीमेल. फीमेल यूज फॉर लेडीज, मेल इज यूज फॉर men. Okay, so the rhyming words of ale is sail, tail, meal. Clear? अब king तो you all know, we have already done. Come on, tell me what is. It is king, ring, sing, and wing. ये तो आपको मैं पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. इंग 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 इंग. किंग, रिंग, सिंग, विंग. एंड ओल्ड. ओल्ड ऑल्सो यू ऑल नो. ओल्ड, फोल्ड, होल्ड एंड गोल्ड. दिस वॉज द राइमिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ ओल्ड. ओल्ड, ओल्ड, ओल्ड. Players, you don't have to only learn it. You should also know how to write. When you are going to learn these spellings, it is going to help you further in making sentence or reading the books. So what we have done today? N. N is pen, ten, hen, men. Ale, sail, tail, meal. Ink, king, ring, sing. Old, gold, fold, fold. Clear? So बेटा प्रैक्टिस करिए. और तो मैं क्या बोलूँ आपको, यू हैव टू डू द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ राइमिंग वर्ड्स सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट डज द राइमिंग वर्ड मीन्स. क्लियर? Take out your English copies and do the sentence yourself, and please try to read these rhyming words. ठीक है? Take your time. Now we are just about to finish the syllabus. इसके बाद only one more topic is left. After that we are going to do practice and practice and practice. Okay? So bye bye. Have a nice day. Do your work. Be happy and do your work with a beautiful smile on your face. Okay? Bye bye. Take care.